How's it going, everyone? And good afternoon, everyone. Today's Sunday. I definitely want to make this video today because tomorrow I'm going to be working. And so I try to make, videos or doing blogs a day early. But I definitely want to share with you not only a book review, not only a book review, but I got some book hauls. So let's start with a book review, a short book review. So I finished reading this book called The Introduction to Linear Algebra and Differential Equation by John W. Mentman. So here's the book here. And this book is pretty amazing. The math level is very, very complex. Now, I'm not studying calculus yet, but once I master calculus, then I'll go to the linear algebra stuff, because there's a whole lot of jam-packed stuff in there that is pretty complex. It has different symbols and different equations and stuff like that, and it's pretty much an interesting read. But the only problem is that the math level is kind of more advanced than I'm studying right now, so it's good to have it handy once I reach to linear algebra, and it's pretty interesting study. So I give this book I'm gonna give this book 8 out of 10. Now I'm gonna show you some new books that I bought this month of May, and this is called Hydrodynamics by Sir Horace Lamb, and he is, if I can read this carefully, I think he is a famous work on the dynamics of liquids and stuff like that, and so this is going to be a pretty interesting study because this book is thick, and it's probably, it talks about the equation of motions, motion of liquids in 2 dimensions, vortex motion, tidal waves, surface waves, waves of expansion, that's it. And there's only, I think, let's see here, only 12 chapters in this book, so it's pretty thick, you can see, and I like the cover of it too, so I'm pretty excited to hopefully maybe read this next month or a few months, but I'm definitely going to read this book. It looked interesting. Alright, here is the book, the Principle of Relativity. This is the work of Albert Einstein. Here we go. Einstein. And this is part of Einstein's work. There's special of relativity, and there's other kinds. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna read this book. So next, I have the fundamentals of astral dynamics. I know this page is kind of ripped in the front, as It's written by Roger R. Bell and Jeffrey E. White. And this book is going to be talking about two-body orbital mechanics, see here. I think that's it. Well, there's only like 9 chapters in this book, so it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. Tell you what. Next, I have the Introduction to Analysis by Maxwell Rosy Tech. Can pronounce his name. Here it is. And this book, it's probably going to be interesting. Talks about going to be talking about like the real number system, metric space, continuous fractions, multiple something. So this is going to be an interesting one. So can't wait to read this in a few months. And lastly, get the book on The Philosophy of Space and Time by Hen Rockenbun or Rockenberg. I can't pronounce it, but yeah. So what it is, gonna be talking about the philosophy of space and time. They're gonna talk about space, time, space and time. So this book has 3 chapters in it, so I'm pretty interested in what it's going to be about. But I hope you guys love this little book haul here. Hopefully we'll plan to do some more later in the future. And so may God bless you and keep you. I'll see you again later.